Let's say you are driving one day and then you notice your engine begins to vibrate. In fact, it begins to lose power. It is no longer firing properly and you are shocked. This is a car you just finished servicing some days ago. What could have gone wrong? You park by the roadside, you open your bonnet and you see your engine vibrating like this tomato grinding machine. What you've just experienced is engine misfire. You see, engine misfire is just like fever. Engine misfire could be caused by anything, just like fever could be caused by any sickness, but it is the symptom of an underlying issue. There are so many causes of engine misfire, and it will take some inspection and diagnosis to find out the cause of your engine misfire. Here are some of the common causes of engine misfire. The most common cause of engine misfire is a worn spark plug, a bad spark plug, or an incorrectly gapped spark plug. A bad spark plug will lead to what we call incomplete combustion. Now, the best solution to this is to have your spark plug checked and replaced. If you run the diagnosis, the computer might tell you the particular spark plug that is having issue, but it's always better to change the complete set for a longer lasting repair. Another common cause of engine misfire is a bad ignition coil. Now, an ignition coil could still be sparking, but it is not sparking consistently enough or strong enough to meet up with the requirement of the engine. Your engine will misfire. So in this case, you have to identify and replace the faulty ignition coil. Clogged or faulty fuel injectors will cause misfire. When your injectors are clogged or dirty, there will be poor fuel supply, and it will lead to a lean system, and a lean system will misfire. It will not fire properly. Now, low fuel pressure. Low fuel pressure can either be caused by a weak fuel pump or a dirty fuel filter. It's not enough to just change your fuel pump. Sometimes it's important to also clean your fuel filter or replace the fuel filter. I'm not talking about just the fuel filter filament at the bottom of the fuel pump. I'm talking about the fuel filter casing that encircles the fuel pump itself. It's important to clean that one and make sure it is clean. Otherwise, you have issues. Our fuel, sometimes they come with dirt. So sometimes we'll see people say, I've changed fuel pump, I've changed fuel pump. Yeah, you've changed fuel pump, but there is dirty blocking the supply of fuel to your engine. Now, you could have a faulty airflow sensor. The airflow sensor is responsible for the air-fuel ratio. Now, if you have a faulty map or MAF, it could be that it is dirty, or it could be that it needs replacement. So you either clean or replace them, as they will cause terrible misfire. And in some cases, they will cause your vehicle to be bringing out black smoke. Your vehicle timing setting, if it is not set properly, will affect the firing of your engine. So that is why in some cases you say, I've changed plug, I've changed coil, I've changed nozzle, my vehicle is still misfiring. Check to ensure that the timing is properly set. If it is overstretched, if it is misaligned, your vehicle will misfire. If your exhaust catalyst is blocked, your vehicle will misfire. Now, how do you check if your exhaust catalyst is blocked? You either check manually or through the use of a computer. If your exhaust catalyst is blocked, your vehicle will misfire and your engine will perform very poorly. There are a number of other sensors that work with your engine to ensure that it is performing properly, depending on the vehicle you are driving, depending on the model and make of the vehicle you are driving. There are a whole number of sensors. There are camshaft sensor, there are oil sensor, there are cold start sensor, and all of that. If these sensors are having issues, your engine will not perform properly. Another cause of misfire could be internal engine issues. If your engine have bad compression, you have issues with your valve, other issues, your engine will misfire. So there are cases where plug and coil and all of that will not help you. You still have to open the engine and check to see what is going on inside. Engine misfires can easily be diagnosed by an OBD scan.